What is the net thrust of the jet engine if the mass flow rate is 500 kg, its exit velocity is 1000 ms and inlet velocity is 600 ms? A. 400 kn. B. 600 kn. C. 500 kn. D. 200 kn. The correct answer is 200 kn. What is the energy change in the aircraft when the thrust is 244 N and the distance traveled is 1230 kilometers? A. 1,98,000 N kilometer. B. 4,84,000 N kilometer. C. 3,120 N kilometer. D. 2,34,553 N kilometer. The correct answer is 3,120 N kilometer. What will be the net thrust when momentum drag is 50 N and gross thrust is 400 N? A. 450 N. B. 8 N. C. 350 N. D. 350 kN. The correct answer is 350 N. What is thrust drag accounting? A. Allocation of flow forces to the airframe drag. B. Allocation of flow forces to the wave drag. C. Allocation of flow forces to the induced drag. D. Allocation of flow forces to the parasitic drag. The correct answer is allocation of flow forces to the airframe drag. Which of the following is the correct equation for net thrust? A. Fn mvjv. B. Fn vjv. C. Fn mvjv. D. Fn mvvj. The correct answer is Fn mvjv. The net thrust of the power plant is affected by A. Pressure and temperature. B. Altitude and temperature. C. Temperature and Mach number. D. Mach number and altitude. The correct answer is Mach number and altitude. The airborne distance is given by A. Sa frac WFNDF big frac V22 VLOF 22 G35 big. B. Sa frac WFNDF big frac V22 VLOF 22 G35 big. C. Sa frac WFNDF big frac V22 VLOF 22 G35 big. D. Sa frac WFNDF big frac V22 VLOF 22 G35 big. The correct answer is Sa frac WFNDF big frac V22 VLOF 22 G35 big. The formula for ground run is given by the formula ASG frac VLOF 22 GABV2 VLOF. BSG frac VLOF 22 GABV 20.7 VLOF. CSG frac VLOF 22 GABV 20.7 VLOF. DSG frac VLOF 22 GABV 2 VLOF. The correct answer is SG frac VLOF 22 GABV 20.7 VLOF. How is thrust related to altitude of an aircraft? A. Thrust is directly proportional. B. Thrust is indirectly proportional. C. They are independent of each other. D. Thrust increases square of altitude. The correct answer is thrust is indirectly proportional. The energy change is given by A. E frac T2S2. B. E frac T2S. C. E frac Ts. D. E Txs. The correct answer is E frac Ts. In the calculations, the horizontal airborne distance is assumed to be much greater than 35 feet. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. The difference between the lift-off speed and take-off safety speed must be small. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. The round bracket in the accelerating force represents the drag-lift ratio at the ground angle of attack. A. True. B. False. C, D. The correct answer is true. The velocity of the engine exhaust flow is a function of the temperature of the exhaust gas. A, true. B, false. C, D. The correct answer is true.